Welcome to OpManager Tech Videos. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to monitor the syslog messages in OpManager. OpManager has a built-in syslog receiver, so it just waits for the devices to send syslogs and starts monitoring it. Step 1 is to configure the end devices such as firewall, routers, switches, and Linux or Unix servers to send syslogs to OpManager server. OpManager listens to the syslog messages on UDP port 514, 519, and you can always change this to your choice by going to Settings, Monitoring, Syslog Rules, and Syslog Port. Step 2 is to create a new syslog rule. The screen that you're seeing now displays the list of syslog rules defined by OpManager. It processes the syslog messages into meaningful alarms only for the rules defined here. OpManager also allows you to define your own syslog rules. Before we see how to create a new syslog rule, I would like to walk you through how Syslog Viewer is going to help us in creating a new rule. To access Syslog Viewer, click Settings, Tools, Syslog Viewer, and click Start button displayed at the top right corner to start receiving the syslog messages. This will display the syslogs from all the devices that are configured to send syslog messages to OpManager server. Facility and the severity are the primary things to be noted from the messages for which you wanted to create a new rule. In my example today, I'm going to create a new rule for authentication failure, and the device triggers the syslog message from category syslog. Once you have collected enough information, stop the receiver and go to Settings, Monitoring, Syslog Rules, and click Add to create a new rule. Provide the rule name, description, facility name or nothing but the syslog messages that are grouped into different categories such as kernel, user, mail, daemon, auth, and so on. In my example, it was syslog, and hence I'm selecting syslog as the facility. Let me select severity as the warning as noted down from the syslog viewer. And you can use the match text to filter the messages using keywords. Also note that OpManager supports the filtering in regex format. And then select the alert severity. From the advanced rules section, you can configure the number of occurrences, time interval as per your requirement. If necessary, you can configure the rearm value with the proper match text for the alarms to be cleared automatically on reaching the normal condition. Finally, click Save and we are done. Now, I'm going to log into the router with wrong credentials, so it triggers a syslog alarm for the respective device. You can either view this on the individual device or on the alarms page. You can also filter from the alarms page to view only the syslog alarms by clicking on the filter icon and selecting the respective alarm type. Hope this video was useful. Now you should be able to create a new syslog rule and monitor the syslog messages in OpManager. It is also very important to configure the notifications for the monitored syslog messages. Please check out my video on how to configure an email notification in OpManager. Thank you. Please subscribe to OpManager Tech Videos for more help.